can feel it in the air. It's getting colder.
Hello, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all keeping well. Okay, so tonight, and it's tonight, what time is it? It's 19:30. So tonight we are going to compare the two new KFC Festive burgers. So they've done 3 burgers recently. They've got the KFC Stranger Things burger, which you tried, and it was all right. The one I got was a bit cold, but generally the taste was there. If you've not seen that video, go check it out. But they've also done 2 Festive burgers. We're going to order them now and we're going to compare them. So we're going to go through Just Eat because my friend Steve got me some Just Eat vouchers for my birthday. Thank you, Steve. So we're going to order on there, but let's see what we've got. So they're doing a stuffing tower burger, a stuffing stacker burger, and those are the 2 burgers. So we're going to see what's the difference. So we'll go through prices at the end, but let's just have a look at the burgers. Now I suspect they just may be different sizes. I don't know. We're just going to order them and find out. So yeah, let's get them ordered. Oh, by the way, this was also a request from Tim in the comments. So Tim, this video is dedicated to you. If you're nice enough to watch our videos and give suggestions, I'm going to do my best to try and make these videos, especially if the ones that are festive, because I bloody love Christmas. But anyway, back to ordering. We're continuing to check out. Delivery as soon as possible. Use my voucher. Let's just pay. Right, it's ordered. I don't normally use Just Eat, to be honest with you. So I'm hoping that it's going to go all right. I'm also hoping that we're not like the last of 30 people and it's stone cold by the time we get here. Maybe. It's a risk we have to run. But anyway, I'll let you guys go and we'll come back once the burger's here. Oh, by the way, if you are regular viewers of my channel, you'll know what this square glass means. It means nothing good. See you shortly. They've arrived, which is awesome. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take them out. We're going to compare the sizes. So I think they're going to be essentially the same burger, but one's got extra fillets and one's not. Let's have a look. Got this here. It says Meet the Towers on it. And we've got this one here as well. Also Meet the Towers. I'm wondering if we might need to microwave them. So this is the first one we've opened up. I think this is the double. We're going to take this one out as well. So this is the size difference between the Festive burgers. We're going to go through this. The first one, you've got what looks like cranberry sauce, cheese, fillet burger. You've got some kind of mayonnaise and lettuce on the bottom. So I'm looking forward to trying that cranberry sauce. And the second one, this is just a monster. Look at this. Look at that. Big. Anyway, let's get stuck into the first one. We're going to warm up first and do the smaller one. Seems sensible, right? Oh, by the way, Just Eat. 32 minutes, that's how long they took to get here. Just in case you care, probably don't. So that one felt a bit lukewarm, so I've just put it in the microwave for 20 seconds to give it a blast. Right, let's get this party started. So this is, let's get the names right. So this is the stuffing tower burger, not the stacker one. But in all fairness, it still looks pretty big, doesn't it? So let's go. So on the first taste, I couldn't get the stuffing, but I did get the really salty, lovely coating on the chicken. I really do love their chicken coating. It is nice. Let's go in again, see if we can get some more of that stuffing. So it is nice. My main thought at the moment is you've got the cranberry at the top. I can kind of lift it up and show you. At the top you've got the cranberry sauce, you've got the stuffing, and then you've got the chicken. But everything's been overpowered by the chicken. I'm not saying it's an absolute bad thing, but what I'm saying is that the cranberry is more of an aftertaste and I can't really taste the stuffing. I'm panicking now though, because this is a small one and it's massive. Let's keep going. So the more you get into this, the chicken gets less overpowering and I can taste the stuffing now. And the stuffing is lovely. And the cranberry's getting more to the forefront as well. Yeah, I like this. So the bun's nice as well. It's got these sesame seeds all over it. It's nice and soft. Yeah, it's tasty. See the cranberry leaking out the bottom again? I do love cranberry sauce. I don't know why we don't have it all year round. I'm very impressed with this so far. It's very tasty. Right, that's the first one done. We're gonna go for the second one now. I'm gonna pop in the microwave just for 20 seconds to make sure it's warm. I'll come back to you shortly. Right, how the hell am I gonna eat this? Look at it, it's massive. And it's collapsing at the back. Let's see if we can get it in like a more reasonable order. Nope, because all the cheese is stuck to it. Look at this. It's a monstrosity of a Christmas burger, isn't it? Right, let's just get started. I'm gonna try and eat these things at the end first so it's more of a burger shape. So you guys know from watching my videos, if you haven't, why? but you will know that I find KFC very hit and miss. I've been to the store in Liverpool, which was awful, but actually, when they get this chicken right, the coating on it is lovely. It really is. It's out of this world. But it is hard for them to get it right sometimes because some of the stores are not good. But having said that, I've been to some really good stores as well. So it's hit and miss, but actually, tonight, this chicken is on fire. It's really, really tasty. So again, just to run through what we're seeing here, we've got the bread, the nice sesame seed bun again, this stuffing here with cranberry on top, then cheese, then a chicken fillet, then more cheese, a chicken fillet, then lettuce and mayonnaise on the bottom. That's what you're getting here. And it is a monster. I'm not sure I'm doing justice to how big this is. It is massive. If you want to go out for dinner tomorrow and you fancy something festive that's really going to fill you up, this is what you're looking at. This is what you should be aiming for. So straight away in this one, I'm getting the hit of the stuffing and the cranberry straight away with the freshness of the lettuce and the mayonnaise underneath and the really, really tender chicken with the lovely salty but slightly spicy coating. It's delicious. If you guys are in any doubt which one of these bad boys you should be getting, it's this one. This is the one. Hear it whispering to you. It's me. Right, let's try and get through this monster of a burger. I'm full, but there's no way I'm wasting this. I'm gonna get through it. Vodka pit stop. No rest for the wicked. Let's keep going. We've got to be at least halfway through now, surely. The bottom part of it's just started to give way the bread. And I'm not surprised, there's so much filling. It's ridiculous. There should be laws against making burgers this big. It's not reasonable to eat this in one sitting. I should have cut it in half. We're almost there. There's no part of my body that wants to eat this, but I'm going to, just for you guys. We're done. I'm gonna get rid of all this and I'll come back and speak to you shortly. Okay. Okay, final thoughts. Let's have a look at the prices. So the stuffing tower burger, which was the smaller one, was £7.49. The monster, which we all just bore witness to, it is a monster, was £8.99. So the price difference between those burgers is £1.50. That's a lot more food for £1.50, or at least it seems it. Okay, so let's just get the taste stuff out the way. Does it taste good? Yeah, it does. It tastes amazing. You've got the coating on the chicken, which is KFC at its best. It was absolutely lovely. You've got the stuffing on top with the cranberry sauce on. Amazing. Tastes just like stuffing, like you make at home. And the cranberry sauce is sweet and lovely. Then underneath, you've got the freshness of the mayonnaise and the lettuce. I just really like it. As a Christmas burger, it works. As for the price, £7.49 or £8.99. So I think the expensive one makes sense because it's massive. You could probably get 2 days out of it, if I'm being honest. Not that it would taste very good on the second day, but that's a lot of food in that. There really was. So actually, £8.99 for a burger, I would normally scoff at that. I would. I'd be the first person to say, that's a nonsense. But actually, that is a lot of food. I mean, £7.99 would be better than £9, wouldn't it? But yeah, it is big. And you do get a lot of food. So you would just need that burger. Honestly, if you're getting chips inside of that, you need to reassess your life. You don't need it. That burger's plenty for anybody. I mean, you're talking to the guy here, just polished off both burgers, and I feel like I'm about to die. Honestly, death is imminent for me. This may be my last video. If it is, thank you very much for supporting. But yeah, so taste-wise, absolutely fantastic. Price-wise, it's £9 for a burger again, isn't it? But it is a lot of burger. I think, honestly, out of all the £9 burgers I've had so far, that offers the best value for money in terms of food to pound, as in the money you're spending. So out of all of them, if you're going to spend £9 on a burger, that's the one I think you're going to have the least regret from, just in terms of feeling conned afterwards. But it's still a lot of money for a burger. And again, I said this in my last video, so without sounding like a broken record, for £9 you can go to Wetherspoons, have a sit-down meal, and get a burger and a pint probably for about £9 or £10. So you're in that vicinity, so you've got to bear that in mind. But yeah, I really enjoyed that. No regrets from me. Yeah, I do have regret. I shouldn't have eaten both. I should have chopped them in half and had half each, because I just feel like full, like proper full. This channel's gonna be the death of me. And that is why you should like and subscribe if this is your first time viewing the channel, because you know, you'd be doing me a solid, and that's really appreciated. If it's not your first time viewing the channel, and you're just here because you like watching my videos and supporting me, you guys are the friggin' best. Honestly, cream of the world. If there's a scenario where they make me overlord of the world, you're all coming to stay in my golden castle. Oh yeah. Right, I'm gonna go. Let's leave it there. Thank you so much for watching to the end. If you have, if you haven't, I don't care. See you guys in the next video.